Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of if you're facing WhatsApp video is not downloading. So friends, if you're facing such problems, such issues that you are unable to download the WhatsApp videos, then there is a simple process over here. So simply we just need to go in WhatsApp option. So go in WhatsApp, click on three dots. You can see on the top corner three dots are there. Click on it. I clicked on it and now you can see setting option is there. You can see setting option is here. I clicked on it. Now you can see there is chat option. You can see chat option over here. Now once you scroll down you'll get that option simply. So I will click on chats option. I clicked on it. So sometime what happen is you can see media visibility, in which you can see show newly downloaded media in your device gallery. So sometime it is off. So if you are finding that in chats option media visibility is off, then please turn it on. So turn it on and then simply your problem will be fixed. So go back simply and you just simply restart your phone, and now your problem will be fixed. So easily whatever video you get on in your WhatsApp gallery, so simply that will be downloaded. So I hope you are understanding and your problem is fixed. Thank you for watching.